G'day guys, I'm Flynn from Southern Pumping. Today I thought I'd do a quick video on a range of Acequip pump controllers. We find pump controllers nowadays are becoming more and more popular, particularly because they can be used to replace traditional pressure switch systems, especially on domestic applications. This is because they are easier to install, easier to manage, and easier to maintain. Our range of Acequip pump controllers includes our PC15 and PC22 controllers. These are our most common. We've got the APC-15, we've got the ARPC22 and the APCE, which is their newest controller. The APC-15 and 22 are our most common because they are the most basic mode of operation. The 15 being a 1.5 bar cut-in and the 22 for a 2.2 bar cut-in. These come with leads, as you can see the whole range does as well. The ARPC controller has bigger inlet and outlet sizes, which is great for higher flow applications. The AR part of the part number stands for automatic restart, which will allow the pump to restart on bolt or run dry, or just general operation. The APCE is our newest one. This particular one comes with two modes of operation. Mode 1 being the flow mode, and mode 2 being the pressure mode. Mode 1 being the flow mode is essentially a flow switch. Mode 2 is more of a pressure switch. Now this one you can adjust the cut-in and cut-out parameters. The APC-15 controller is particularly useful because it does come with a side outlet. So great for compact applications, very slim design for compact areas as well. This particular one allows you to adjust the cut-in pressure with the dial on top to do so. As I previously mentioned, we do have all the leads available on all our Acequip pump controllers. This is because it makes the controller a universal fit. It can go with any pump as long as it's 240 volt. So that's why we have it, and just easy install, plug and play. Now I'm going to offer some quick recommendations and tips on how to get the most out of your controllers in your application. The first being the braided hose on the discharge side of your controller. This one here is connected to the APC-15. The reason we recommend the braided hose is it takes any vibration out from the pump, which will save leaking joints in future. The second is installing a ball valve of some sort or a gate valve on the discharge of your controller. The only reason being it allows you to test your controller later. For example, if your controller doesn't turn off, you can close the ball valve and test the pump against a dead head. If the controller doesn't turn off, it's potentially faulty. So just a quick, easy way to test your controller. Up next is the use of a pressure tank with your controller. This is not compulsory. Some people just do it out of preference. But if you are going to install one, we recommend doing it on the discharge, not the suction. Basically, the pressure tank will store the water, and when a tap is opened, it'll drain the pressure tank before it drains in the controller, just saving how many times your pump needs to start. Like we said at the start, pump controllers are tending to replace pressure switch systems. There's two main reasons why that won't be the case in certain applications. The first one being you're working against gravity. For example, if you take our PC-15 controller, which has a 1.5 bar cut-in, if the gravity pressure on top of the controller pushing down is greater than 1.5, the controller won't start. That's when you'd use a pressure switch. The other reason for using a pressure switch over a controller is if you have bad power, or what they call brown power. Bad power tends to damage the circuit boards inside the controllers. So this is where we'd recommend, again, go for the pressure switch. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys have got any questions about our controllers for any specific applications for your customers, give us a shout. We'd be happy to help you through it.